Statistics, Modeling, and Finance, Chapter 2, Measures of Central Tenancy, page 6, more HP12C keys. Let me introduce you to a few more special keys found on the HP12C. Sigma plus is the special key that is found on the lower right of your keyboard. It is used when calculating a mean. Dash over X is a blue function that is found on the bottom of the 0 key, also on the lower right. We will also use this key in calculating a mean. Let's try a real simple one just to see how the process works. Basically, we are going to enter a group of numbers and press the sigma plus key after each one. When we are done, we press the dash over X key and let it calculate the mean for us. Let's find the mean of 23, 45, and 112. Please get out your 12C and follow along. First, make sure to clear the statistical registers by pressing F, clear, sigma. The sigma is found on the left side. Look in the right oval above, on top of the SST key. Then proceed as follows. 23, sigma plus, 45, sigma plus. What do you see in the display now? It says 2.00, assuming you have it set to 2 decimal places. It is counting up the entries for you. If you were working your way through a long series of numbers and got interrupted or lost your place, your 12C will tell you that you just entered the 9th or 11th item or wherever you were. Okay, continue with the entries. 112, sigma plus. Now we can go directly to finding the mean. We don't have to count up the entries and divide that by the number. We just enter Shift G and X. The answer that appears is 60.00. That's your mean.
Earlier we were calculating the mean, but we didn't show you maybe some of the shortcuts that you could use with the 12C. So let's try a simple example here. We've got 3 numbers, 23, 45, and 112, and we're going to try and calculate the mean of that using the 12C. We've got a few keys here we need to use, but again, as a good practice, clear out the register, at least for the statistical functions. In this case, hit the F and then the sigma key to clear out all statistical registers. And then all we're going to do is enter in the numbers 23. We're going to come down here to the lower right-hand corner and hit the sigma plus key. And you'll see a 1 in the display, which means that's the first number we've entered. Then we're going to do 45 E plus. Again, you'll see the display change to 2. And then finally, we're going to enter 112, hit the sigma key. You see we've got 3 now in the display, which is the number of numbers that we've just entered. And if we want to calculate the mean, we'll just hit the blue G key and look underneath the 0. You'll see the little the bar X, which is a symbol for the mean. So if we hit G, and you see that G is in the display right there, and 0, we'll see the mean of those numbers was 60.